Well, it's finally here, the Goodereader Bigme InkNote Color. This isn't only the latest release from Bigme, but it's also the first release from Goodereader since 2015. This is a collaborative co-branded e-note between two companies that have been around for over a decade. It has, well, everything. Speakers, 128 gigs of storage on board, and 4 noise-canceling microphones. Not only that, it has a stylus, a SIM card, an SD card, and 2 cameras. But more of that will come later on in the review. But for now, let's look at what you will receive. The main box itself, a small accessory box, and a sleep cover. Let's start with the case and work our way backwards. The case is a very nice brushed aluminum look with a Bigme embossed logo on the bottom right corner and a Goodereader logo on the back. You also have a camera hole cut out for the camera, of course, and you slide it in via magnetic snaps on the side of the device like this, and both sides of the inside are very nice smooth felt material so it won't scratch your device. The accessory box is where you're going to find some overflow parts that couldn't fit in the main box itself. You have a USB-C cable, some tips, and inside the tip box, you get a nib puller tool and an SD card / SIM card removal tool. Now for the good stuff. We went for a slide-out style box, so it is a very nice hard cardstock, extremely hard. On the back it is a little bit of a portrait-looking layout, but on the front it pulls out landscape. So you simply pull the tab and it comes on out, and inside is the Bigme slogan, "Just for you." You will open up this little sleeve like so. Then it goes back into a portrait mode. This is the A3 pen that you get with the device as well, except this time it's a little bit different because you have a 2-pin copper contact, which the standard pen for the other Bigme models did not have. You also do not charge it at the back anymore, as this does not have a USB cable. It actually charges via the magnetic snap and the copper contact there. The 3 buttons are the same. It is Wacom and it is powered, but you do not need to power it in order to use it. You only need to power it to use the Bluetooth capabilities. Putting the device off to the side for one moment, let's explore the rest of the box while we have some documentation in here, certification stamp, quick start guide, warranty information, all that fun stuff. Multiple languages on the inside, so hold on to this if you have any questions about your device. Now for the reader itself. This is borrowing a little bit from the Carve body and the B1 body at the same time. Although it looks more like a B1 body, it actually is built out of an entire block of aluminum, so it has kind of the best of both worlds. You'll find a front camera on the front there for front-facing applications like Zoom calls, identity verification, or just selfies. You have a power button up top with fingerprint sensor, and at the back you have the sticker at the back with a 2-tone, as well as a camera with a flash package, speakers on the side, 4 microphones up top, and the contact patch for charging the pen on the side. On the bottom you get a USB-C as well as the SD card / SIM card tray if you open it up like that. We will save this for the full review, of course, but we will do a quick first-time boot up just to show you guys what to expect when you turn it on and press the button for the first time. So the first thing you notice is you get multiple languages. You can choose the language that most suits your needs. For us, it'll be English. After skipping over everything, you get a very typical Bigme-esque layout, and we will go over all of this fun stuff in the review, but if you go over to the apps, you will see that this is loaded with some new things like camera, of course, Google Play if you haven't updated your old Bigme devices, and a bunch of Goodereader services. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new 2022 Goodereader X Bigme InkNote Color, a joint collaborative project between 2 companies in the e-reader scope. Let us know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns. Leave them down below, and if you want to stand by and wait for the review, we'll be more than happy to oblige. For Goodereader.com, this is Peter.